Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the layout margins and typography settings inside of the GoHighLevel email builder to make your email templates more aesthetic. All right, so I'm in the email builder right now inside of one of my sub accounts, and you can see this is a default template that I have here from GoHighLevel. So we are firstly going to add margins between these different sections or layouts, just so we can have more spacing. And if you like those grid style email templates, that is how you can achieve that look. So we will select one of these layouts, and you will see that we now have the ability to add margins. Previously, this was not there, but now we're able to. So if I want to add a margin of, let's say, 20 pixels right below it, I can do that, and I will add 20 on top here as well. And then if you want to make this separation more subtle, of course, you can also add in the radius here just to make it a bit more nice. So that is how you can change this, and you can apply the setting on all the layouts. So similarly, we can do this here too. So we already have 10 pixel spacing here. So I'll just do it towards the bottom, and same goes for this one. So I'll just go ahead and add 10 pixels here as well. Of course, you can play around with it if you like 20 or whatever suits your design. You can of course go with that. So once we have that done, I'm also going to add the radius or the bot radius here, just to make it a bit more aesthetic. So you can see the look has already changed. It looks much more premium. And then there's one more thing that we can do to improve the spacing inside of our email template. So if you click on this icon right here, which says appearance, so it will open up this typography setting option, which is a new feature again. So if you enable this, you can actually set spacing across different styles of text inside of your email template. So let's say if I select paragraph, I can add in some spacing that will apply all across the template. So let's say if I do 16, you can see that the spacing is affecting here. And if I do 16 here, maybe let's go with 20 and 20. So that makes it a bit more breathable. And then you can also do the same thing with the headings. So you can see the headings in especially these two sections, it is much closer to the upper border. So we want to make sure that there's enough breathing room for that, and in that case we can apply some of that here. So you can see how easy it is to change this here, and that way our design does not look too cramped. So this is how you can apply this setting. Similarly, you can use it for H2s or H3s, H4, H5s, depending on what kind of text you're using. But you can already see that the look has changed a lot just based on these few options that we just applied on this. So using these margins options for the layouts, and then also these global typography settings all across the email template, that will really help you to improve the look of your email templates and help you make the most out of your emails. That was all about this video. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.